So, around, we're getting on the glass bottom boat and heading out to our snorkel location. So, head that way and see what we find. Alright, so we got all our gear, we got everything on, we're good to go. So now I'm going to switch to the GoPro and we're going to go see what we can see in the water when we snorkel. So stick with me here while we jump in the water and see what we see.